Hello, this is the Shortcomings and Wish List video. This is Juan Carlos Valladares with VIRS Vocabulary and Reading Studies 3.0. So we just wanted to talk about the things we couldn't get to do or weren't able to do this semester. So now the first thing that I want to talk about is subscription. So given the nature of what we're doing, we're creating this analyzer of text that lets the user know the reading score. We have a dictionary that gives you a definition of words. We have a vocabulary test. We have a translator. It's a one-stop shop for people to be able to learn a language. But with all of this comes expenses, and one of the goals is to create a subscription level, so that even that a user that already has a profile and a user authentication is able to pay for certain access. So maybe we would limit the translation, as we already have a limit for general users, but maybe we would have a further limit. The school dictionary would then maybe only show the first couple of pages, and so on and so forth, with different types of the features in the web application. That's one of the things that we wish we could have been able to implement, but due to the time constraints, were unable to get around to. Another feature we wanted to be able to do is with a profile. So currently we can log in and log out and register from Vocabulary and Reading Study and create accounts. But currently we're unable to edit the profile. We can't edit the username. We can't edit the email, the level of the user, and we would like to be able to do that in the future. Give the user that power to be able to edit their profile. Along with that, we would also like to be able to allow users to upload reading material onto the website and have a PDF display of this, so teachers could share good reading material that users amongst the same reading level could be able to share and use for their students, teachers, and faculty, and even students themselves could share something that has helped them understand the English language better and develop their vocabulary. And finally, the last thing we wish we could have been able to add was a particular test called the WAT test, which is a category of tests that eluded us to how to correctly code, particularly in the front end part, and so we weren't able to get it, as we had other priorities, and so the WAT tests were not able to be completed. Now hopefully those will be done in the future, and we will be able to have all of these features that we mentioned in future iterations and updates of my vocabulary and reading study web application. Thank you for listening to this video. Have a great day.